Have you got the methylated spirits? What about the sulphur? There has to be a smell of sulphur. Are you feeling nervous?
Yes, very. I'll feel terribly embarrassed acting in front of a camera. You know, it's quite difficult acting in your play. When is it going to begin?
Now. She's a psychologist's dream, my mother. Take one.
Born, perform. It's as simple as that. I was born to perform. I'm just talented, I guess. Oh, honey, show me the money. Show me the fortune, the fame, the glamour, grandeur, magnificence, Dolce, Gabbana. Show me the dresses, the hairspray, the makeup. Oh, the makeup. Fast cars, a boat with sails, even a holiday home in Wales. Computers, toys, a whole string of sexy boys, diving for pearls and giving me things, like bracelets, charms and pretty rings. But what do I do when the performance ends? When the lights go out? When it's not my Mercedes-Benz the paparazzi chase? Well, I hang on to my privileges, of course. I'm treated quite differently from shopkeepers, for example. Diamonds, crystals, cocaine. Cocaine, that's what relieves the pain. Sometimes when Aunt Nora comes to stay, life doesn't seem that bad, that grim.
Look at her, smoking and drinking and living in sin.
I guess I'll never win.
This is some sort of avant-garde piece.
Mother?
Theatre, the greatest of all art forms, enables us to share with another what it means to be human. Well, what does that mean? Look to Moscow, to London, to Paris. These are the places where theatre is truly free. To look at life and question things through a melodramatic company. Theatre should express, question and inspire, egg on, put in their place, evoke ceasefires. The lavish halls with golden walls and a selective footfall. It's a place to see and be seen, the essence of our upper-class machine. Cultural capitals lead the way and ensure we do not stray from art, true art. It's just bad form. Do not stray from the norm. Do not stray from what works, from what instructs, validates and endorses our great big houses and all of our horses. And as for all of that symbolist shit, the experimentalists or avant-garde, they're all tards. Do they really want us to lose our privileges?
There's a smell of sulphur. Is that intentional?
Yes.
No, it's quite an effect.
It's a strange play, don't you think?
Right, the play's over. That's enough. Drop the camera. That's enough. Camera, drop the camera. Camera. I'm sorry. It quite slipped my mind that only a select few are allowed to write plays and perform on camera. I've broken their monopoly.